everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we are trying out something new, something I haven't tried yet, and it is another beauty box. Beauty boxes are all the rage. There are tons of different companies that have these, and the question is, which ones are the best for the best price? And of course, I've already tried IPSY Glam Bag. I really like IPSY Glam Bag, but I was scrolling through Instagram the other day and I saw one that said $1 beauty box, up to a $59 value inside, and I was like, you've piqued my interest, let's try it. So today we are trying LookFantastic Beauty Box. Now before we dive in and open up the box, of course, give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. It helps my channel out, and also subscribe. Click that red button. And if you want to go the extra mile, you can always click that notification bell and you'll get notified every time I upload, which is every Monday and Wednesday. So let's dive in, shall we? So I got this LookFantastic Beauty Box, and it looks like this. Adorable. I love this pastel purple color. It's so cute. Now, LookFantastic is from the UK, and I am in the US, and it got here pretty fast, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm very excited about this. They had a deal where your first box is $1. Now, of course, I think it regular price is about $16 a month, but I was like, okay, for $1, I want to try it out, see what comes in this. As you can see, it's a box. I hear some stuff rattling in there, so I'm excited to see what's in here. IPSY Glam Bag is the other one I have. I really like. It's $12 a month, and usually everything in there is a mini. So I'm curious to see if anything in here, because this box is a lot bigger than the IPSY Glam Bag, if there is any full-size products in here. So what are we waiting for? Let's open. I haven't peeked in here, so you and I were looking at the exact same time. Ready? Okay, so we got a little, I smell perfume. A lot of perfume. So first we get this little edit, this little cute little magazine type thing. Let's see. Oh, they have their own like little magazine. That's so cute. Oh, I love it. It smells a lot like perfume. I've mentioned on my channel, if you've been here a while, I'm a bit sensitive to most perfumes, so we'll see how it goes. And everything is like wrapped in this cute little tissue paper. Let's dive in. I'm just ripping it. Okay, so this is kind of what it looks like in here. All right, I'm seeing some interesting things. So we'll see. Again, this is from the UK, so we might be seeing brands that I don't normally see here in the US, which I think is really cool and interesting. So I guess let's just pull one of these things out. I'm just gonna pull this one. It says AV Cleanser Bar, Avocado and Cucumber. I think this might be what I'm smelling. A Natural Cleansing Bar by Dr. Botanicals. Natural skincare, cruelty-free and vegan, natural. We love that. This is a vegan skincare range using the finest botanical ingredients to create natural and vegan-friendly skincare treatment. All products are cruelty-free, and you can rest assured that we are kind to animals as we are to our skin. Is this for your like face or for your body? It's just a brick. It smells quite lovely. It smells like cucumber, that very fresh cucumbery. You know the one I'm talking about. Avoid contact with eyes. Okay. Lather up in the bath or shower using your hands and rinse thoroughly. Okay, so it's a body bar. Okay. When I saw cleansing, you know, because there are like cleansing balms and stuff for your face, but this looks like it's for your body. So we'll have to give that out a try. I love natural skincare and using like things that are very natural. Love that. Let's pull out another thing. And we have this, Grow Gorgeous Intelligent Hair Care. Okay, it's called Balance, Shine Enhancing Overnight Mask. I don't use a lot of hair masks and stuff. I want to get more into hair care. I usually am pretty lenient with my hair, but I do want to get more into hair care. So this is an overnight mask. Apply to the lengths of dry hair, massage the product onto the scalp, leave in overnight. On waking, cleanse hair using pH balanced soap. Okay, so you gotta rinse it out in the morning. Does not have a smell, but I'm interested to try it and see what happens, you know? I wanna try to get more into like hair care and stuff. as I'm more into skincare and makeup than I am hair care, but hair is also important. So I just pulled out another thing. Let's see. SVR Laboratory Dermatology. It's not dermatology, that's dermatology. Oh gosh, I'm gonna mispronounce this. This looks like it's in it. Oh, it's okay. This is all in French. So it says made in France, and this is all in French. And I'm like, no wonder I'm pretty sure that kind of looks like dermatology, but not quite. Okay, it's in French, so that's why I can't read it. Is there any English on here? Okay, all it says, okay, in English. So this is hydralane. I don't know. Oh, my lighting just got really dark for some reason. Sorry. 24-hour hydrating and comfort, light and non-greasy texture, velvet finish. Apply to face and neck morning or evening. Excellent makeup base. Oh, so is it like a face moisturizer? Okay, cute little packaging. Love it. Let's see, does it? It doesn't really have a scent, which I like. I usually have to be very careful what I put on my face and stuff like that. I do have incredibly dry and sensitive skin, but, oh, proven effective on sensitive skin. Okay, I will try it. I'm not against it. I'll try it. So far, I'm noticing this beauty box is very like skincare oriented. So let's pull out another thing from our box. I see a lipstick. Okay, this is called Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream. Okay, so it's kind of like this brownish color. It's a cute color. I've never seen this brand or this product in the color Roasted Almond. It's a full size, which is nice. Made in China, so it's not cruelty free. Sad. Usually I try and stick to cruelty free stuff, but yeah, that's a cute color. Interesting. We'll see how it goes. Let's pull out this little thing. Oh, it's a beauty sponge. The So Eco, the Face of Responsible Beauty Complex Beauty Sponge. They plant one tree for every 100 products sold for this brand. Love that, that's nice. Super soft and cruelty free, this complexion sponge is perfect for flawless custom coverage with liquid foundations. Have a rounded side to blend large areas and precise tips to help cover blemishes and imperfections. Use water for effortless blending. All right, made from materials that are ethically sourced, recyclable and biodegradable. So, and cruelty free and vegan. Love it. Absolutely love it. Let's see. I'm trying to open it. I just want to feel what it feels like compared to my other beauty sponges. Oh, it's so cute. It's green. Oh, it's so cute. It feels like it feels very nice. Very nice, high quality sponge, I'd say. I'm excited because I recently ruined one of my beauty sponges. I did a random color generated makeup challenge, which is on my YouTube channel if you want to go look at it. I turned myself completely pink and I completely destroyed that beauty blender. So I need a new one. So this is perfect. I love it. I still don't know where that very intense scent is coming from. I'm still smelling it and I can't figure out what it is. Okay, so there's one more thing and it's this. So let's see, this is a Star Skin Nourishing Double Layered Hand Mask with hand mask gloves. Okay, dermatologist created and formulated, prove it effective. This makes me a bit iffy because I'll kind of show you my hands. I hate my hands. I'm very self-conscious of them. I have severe eczema on my hands. I don't know, you might see it. It's not flared up right now, but it's so dry and cracked. And I have them on both hands. Maybe you can see them. So I probably can't use this because it has to be eczema friendly. But I like the idea of a hand mask. I wish there was one that was like, it doesn't say eczema friendly on here, so I have to assume that it's not. But hand masks are good for people who have dry hands and stuff like me, but usually you have to be very careful and not do, and I can't tell through the package if this is fragranced or not. Like, I can't put anything fragranced on my hands, but interesting if you're someone who can use a hand mask who doesn't have like severe eczema on your hands. They're very good. They're very nice to use. And it comes with little pictures, step-by-step instructions. So that is all that's in here. That is all that was in the $1 beauty box. And I have to say, I'm a little disappointed more of them weren't like actual beauty makeup. Well, beauty is a whole line, like skincare, hair, and you know, is all in beauty. But I'm surprised that almost all of it is like a skincare type of, you got hair care, hand care, like this is technically skincare as well. The moisturizer and the cleansing balm. And then of course you have, I love the sponge. That's more of a tool, a beauty product tool. And then you only have like one actual like quote unquote makeup product. Which is interesting. I don't know, do they really say if they're more? Look Fantastic. 6 wonderful new products to discover. A beauty box. So I don't know if they're more, I don't think they're just skincare focused though. When I originally signed up, I don't think they are. What's in this box? Oh, this month's box, it kind of shows you things that you might get. There are a few things on here that I did not get, but I don't know if they have different sizes. Oh, products packaging may vary, so everyone kind of gets slightly different things. And then they tell you more about it, which is always good. I would say it's pretty good. I'm interested to try these things. The hair mask seems interesting. I've never done a hair mask, so we'll see how that goes. This cleansing balm, we'll see how it goes. I have eczema all over my skin, so we'll see. Usually if it's natural, I'm pretty good, it doesn't bother me, but we'll see. I found out lavender bothers me a lot for some odd reason, but this is avocado and cucumbers, which are pretty like toned down, I feel. So I'll give that a try. Love that. Moisturizer, I'll try and see what it does to my skin. I will use the beauty blender. I'll try out this lipstick and see how it goes. I probably will not try the hand mask. I'll probably like give this to my sister or my mom or something to try, because I probably shouldn't. Again, I have like severe eczema on my hands, and I'm only allowed to really use eczema products that my dermatologist recommends, and I don't think this is on there. So yeah, but I'm interested. It was good, it was interesting. This was a $1 beauty box. And I'd say I'm pretty impressed. Like, you got full, like these are like full size. Like these are legit full size items. So I can't be mad. I think this is the scent I'm smelling. It just smells like cucumber, like very fresh. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze now. Ooh. It's okay. So yeah, this is from France, which is cool, made in France, interesting. So I'm excited about that. We'll try the lipstick. It doesn't look like anything outside of anything I've ever tried before, nothing unique or new. The hair mask, pretty unique, so we'll try it. And of course the beauty blender, I love it. It feels really nice. I might have to look into this company and get more, because they are biodegradable and recyclable, and I won't feel bad throwing them out. And it's so nice. This is a really nice feeling blender brush, and such a cute little green. And of course they plant one tree for every 100 products sold, so that's always nice, you know, giving back. So yeah, that I guess that concludes this video. So that was the Look Fantastic Beauty Box. So yeah, for $1, well worth money well spent, I'd say. I'm excited to try some of these. They were a lot of skincare, which is okay, because skincare is important. That's like the base of your makeup and beauty, and you know, you gotta do the skin first, and then you pile on top. I always want to make sure your skin is doing well. So I'm excited to try these things. I really am. And if you're interested, definitely go look them up. It came in this super cute box, and I love this color. That that pink. This is so cute, this box. So if you kind of like what you saw here and you're like, that's kind of interesting, I would recommend checking them out. Why not? So far, everything in here it seemed very interesting, unique, not things I've seen before, not things a beauty box has given me before. So yeah, I'm excited. I am pumped to try it out. Anyway, I'd say so far, the LookFantastic Beauty Box, I'd give it a thumbs up in my opinion. Seems pretty interesting, pretty cool, and they gave you full-size items, so that's a bonus. Anyway, I'm going to conclude the video there. Sorry, that was very loud. I'm going to conclude the video there. Anyway, I hope you give this video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And also subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you here, be a part of my YouTube fam. And I put out new videos every Monday and Wednesday, so why not? Come join me. Anyway, I hope you have an absolute wonderful day.